So I've been looking for a little travel CPAP bag for my ResMed Mini, and this one is called CURMIO CPAP bag. And just a big quick disclaimer, I bought this with my own money. This is not sponsored. This company does not know I'm making this product. So here's the bag over here. Let's quickly unbox it. And I always want to quickly explain the reason why I want to get a bag and maybe have something more robust than this really simple case that comes with the ResMed. You get this, and I was actually using this as a case, this plastic thing that came with the box. This is really good because it's ultra lightweight, it's minimalistic. Everything is broken down into smaller parts, but the issue is in airlines, they probably want to see a single container bag, and that doesn't count towards your carry-on or your personal item. So if your bag is marked as a medical device, then it can be excluded from your allowances, which allows you to pack more normal non-CPAP user stuff like shorts and stuff. So this was my strategy. Now, I'm not going to keep this if I can't fit everything nicely inside. This includes the mask, the power cable, the actual ResMed machine, and all that stuff. So let's test that out. And I also weigh this and see how much of a weight drag does this add, because unfortunately, we're going to be adding more weight to this as opposed to just having more of a bare bones setup like I mentioned earlier. All right, finally it's out. So let's weigh this thing first. All right, that's exactly what I thought. 242 grams, which, you know, is a little bit heavy, but hopefully it adds some utility. All right, let's see what we got inside. So it has a nice opening like this, a little stiff zippers, not the best zippers. This was really cheap. And it has these rings here so you can attach it to your bag. You just got one, so that's nice if you need to. We got another one here. Maybe it's this inside here is for your cables. Cables in here. It's a very interesting bag. Oh, okay, so it zips open like this. Okay, I'm gonna expand this out a bit so you get a better sense of what it looks like. Okay, that's a little bit better. And then we have this other compartment. You can see the stitching here, not very good. Like, you can see that it just came off right here. So that could be problematic. Oh, it's getting in the way of the zipper. So I'm not sure what you would keep here. Honestly, they should have just made it bigger inside. Okay, so how is this going to work? Let's get this advertising out of the way. Let's get the actual CPAP machine. And where do we put it? I guess it goes here. It fits snugly there. It's a weird zipper pattern. Okay, I don't know if that made sense. And then the tube probably makes sense to go on the side. So we got our tube here. Let's see if we can stuff it in here. Maybe I should have rolled it more tight. Okay, let's try that again. A little bit more tight. I don't know if that's now too tight. Okay, put this in here. Oh my God. Okay. Since the machine is on this side, I'm gonna rotate it because it's more bulk. I gotta remember to do that next time. Okay, come on, go in there, buddy. Let's go. Okay, finally. Tubes are in. Still got plenty of space. Now I imagine the power cord goes in here. Since the power cord usually touches the ground, I don't wanna mix, well, the tube will probably touch the ground too, but I don't wanna mix my mask with that. So maybe I'm gonna put the power cord over here. That might be a little bit better. Let me grab the power cord. So here's the power cord, and it probably makes sense to put it in here. I'm tempted to put it in there, but then I'm not gonna have space for other stuff. All right, let's put it in here. Maybe it'll be a little bit more even distributed. So I put it on this side over here. Let's close that up, so we never saw that. Okay, now we gotta squeeze in the full face mask. This is gonna be the tricky bit. So I'm gonna try and face the part where my face touches away. So I'm gonna put it like right here. It's a really tight fit. But this part has to be more or less sanitary. So I haven't got the last bit off. I need to get the actual strap. There's kind of a lot of pressure here. Not a fan of that. Okay, so this is the face strap. And yeah, it's gonna be hard to find a good place to put it. Just gonna try and squeeze it in here. Yeah, this is not working out very well. Probably makes sense to have it here. I have no idea why this is so hard. Whatever, let's try and squeeze it in. I don't know which side to put it. Okay, like that maybe. Oh my God. I guess it's going in. Super tight. Has that cheap smell. All right, we got it. It was a struggle. Yeah, these zippers do not inspire confidence. There you go, that's the whole kit. So I guess you can strap this to your bag. I'd say because you have so much stuff in there, it feels like pretty good padding. So is it worth adding 220 grams to get this organization? I guess you can just tell the flight attendant, hey, this is my medical CPAP. Please don't include it. Don't charge me another $50. They're all trying to nickel and dime you these days. Let's open it. Yeah, I guess it's not bad. It's not ideal, but it's okay. I hope things don't get damaged. You know, when you start stuffing things in really tightly. I feel like the mask can take some stretch there. Yeah, very tight fit. And the stitching, the smell, it's not the greatest, but I mean, you get what you pay for, right? It's not bad. Maybe over time it'll stretch. Okay, one quick correction. I noticed that I had the strap already connected to it, so that was my mistake. So this is more of a true representation of how it'll fit. Whoopsies. Okay, this is much easier. In fact, we could disconnect the two and then just put the mask inside here. Yeah, that's way easier now. Okay, that was my mistake. And I guess you could disassemble this to make it even better to fit. You could take these apart and just kind of throw this in. Oh yeah, that's much easier. In fact, I wonder if we keep it like that. Yeah, that's way better. These don't come off, right? Could put it like this maybe. No, I think it's better like that. These things are annoying. Whatever is better to go in like this now. Maybe upside down. Okay, there we go. No, I think there's too much pressure on the... All right, I think the best way is put it in like there. Just don't want this to be damaged. What is this made out of? Okay, just plastic. Okay, that's good. Yeah, that I can get by. You got this Velcro here. Okay, on second thought, after disassembling the mask, I think it's not that bad. It fits pretty well. I do think that the external plug should be on the exterior. I like that there's now an exterior side, so you don't really mix the dirty kind of plug that maybe falls on the floor sometimes. And yeah, sometimes the tube falls on the floor, but not as much. So yeah, overall it's pretty good. Anyways, that's it for this video. Please do give a like and subscribe. And if you want to know more CPAP travel related gear, I'm not doing this that much on this channel, but this is a cool tech gadget. So maybe subscribe for other tech reviews.